Have you ever dreamt of becoming a millionaire? It's a common aspiration, isn't it? The allure of a seven-figure bank balance, the freedom it brings, the opportunities it affords. We've all been there, fantasizing about lavish vacations, luxury cars, or perhaps just the peace of knowing you're financially secure. It's a tantalizing dream, one that sparkles with promise and potential. But dreaming is just the beginning. Dreaming is the first step, but what does it take to turn that dream into reality? The journey to $1 million starts with a mindset. This mindset, my friends, is not your everyday thinking. It's a growth mindset, a mindset that believes in the power of constant learning, pushing boundaries, and understanding that success is a process, not a destination. It's understanding that millionaires are not born, they're self-made. They are individuals who have mastered the art of discipline and resilience. They are not deterred by the prospect of failure, but rather see it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, to improve. They embrace risks, knowing that every risk carries with it the potential for great reward. But it's not just about taking risks and embracing failure. It's also about setting clear, realistic goals. You need to know where you're going, what you want to achieve, and how you plan to get there. It's about having a vision and relentlessly pursuing it. With the right mindset, you have already won half the battle. Now let's talk about the magic of savings and investments. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls further, it gathers more snow and grows larger. This is essentially how compound interest works. The money you save or invest earns interest, and over time, that interest also starts to earn interest. This is why it's so important to start saving and investing early. The more time your money has to grow, the bigger your snowball becomes. Now let's explore investment options. Think of these as different paths for your snowball to roll down. Stocks, for instance, are shares in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of that company. If the company does well, so do you. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government, and they agree to pay you back with interest. It's a safer path, but the potential for growth isn't as high as with stocks. Then there's real estate, a tangible asset that you can see and touch. It can provide a steady income if you rent it out, or it can appreciate in value over time and be sold for a profit. But remember, each path comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's about finding the right balance for you, based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and grow. Diversification and passive income, ever heard of them? If not, let me enlighten you. Diversification is like not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's an investment strategy that reduces risk by allocating investments among various financial instruments, industries, and other categories. It aims to maximize returns by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. Now let's talk about passive income. It's money you earn with minimal active involvement. Imagine earning while you sleep. This could be through rental income, business partnerships, or even royalties from a book you've written. The beauty of passive income is it can provide an additional income stream, complementing your active income. It's like having a safety net, steadily catching wealth for you. So diversification helps you minimize risks in your financial journey, while passive income adds to your wealth without constant effort. Diversification and passive income are your tools to steady financial growth. Lastly, let's not forget the power of networking. No man is an island, especially in the world of finance. Building a strong, diverse network is like weaving a safety net that can catch opportunities you might never have seen coming. Think of it as a web of potential partnerships, collaborations, and mutual growth. Remember, your network is not just about who you know, but also about who knows you. With each connection, you're not just adding another name to your contact list, you're opening a door to a new world of possibilities. Each person in your network is a potential partner, a potential investor, or even a potential mentor. Networking can illuminate paths you might not have considered, can significantly boost your income, and can accelerate your journey to financial success. Now, equipped with these strategies, your dream of becoming a millionaire is not so distant anymore.